Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're breaking down the Ricoh GR III, a compact, no-nonsense camera that street photographers swear by. With a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor packed into your pocket, it promises top-tier image quality and lightning-fast performance. But at around $900, is it worth it? Or is this just hype for a niche tool? Let's find out. All links are in the description if you want to check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real reviews that help you make smart buying decisions. Even though the body's tiny and the overall feel is premium for such a compact device. If you're someone who hates carrying a bulky camera, this is the dream. Fits in your pocket but doesn't compromise on quality. Sensor and image quality. This camera packs a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, the same sensor size used in many DSLRs. That means incredible detail, strong dynamic range, and rich colors in your photos. Low light, no sweat. ISO performance is solid, and the images stay clean even when you push it. Whether you're capturing street life, landscapes, or minimal compositions, the GR3 delivers professional-grade results. Lens and autofocus. The GR III has a fixed 28mm f2.8 lens, which is sharp, fast, and perfect for street photography, travel, or environmental portraits. It's not zoomable, so you'll need to move your feet, but that's part of the creative process. Autofocus is quick and mostly accurate, though it's better suited for still or slow-moving subjects. For street shooters, it does exactly what it's supposed to do: quiet, fast, and precise. Features and shooting experience. This camera is all about getting out of the way and letting you shoot. The menus are clean, the touchscreen is responsive, and the controls are customizable. It includes in-body image stabilization, a built-in ND filter, and snap focus mode, which lets you preset your focus distance for instant captures. Great for those classic street-style shots. Plus, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to transfer your shots on the go. What's missing? Let's be real, it's not perfect. Battery life is average at best, so bring a spare. There's no viewfinder, so on sunny days, composing with the screen can be tough. Also, this isn't a camera for everyone. If you're looking for zoom, flash, or video features, this isn't it. It's laser focused on photography, and that's either exactly what you want or a deal breaker. Final verdict: so should you buy the Ricoh GR3? If you're a street photographer, a minimalist, or someone who just wants killer image quality in a pocketable size, absolutely yes. It's discreet, powerful, and built with intention. It doesn't try to be everything. It's just a phenomenal stills camera, and for the right user, it's a total game changer. Want to grab it? Hit the link below. And if this review helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear breakdowns every week. I'm Top 5 Trey, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, and trust me, out of your top 5 decisions, subscribing will definitely be one of them.